Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Dear all participants, good morning. This day I will be present about our research. The title of our research is Effect of Resins and Catalyst Addition of the Characteristic of Asphalt Concrete Building Course, ACAC, from the coastal area. Thank you very much for the all committee, the Stefan Borobudur International Symposium 2025, and thank you very much for our research, for our researchers, for the Kota Ayun TMT from Tuan Agong Islamic University, and for my collaboration research, Panrik Marum from the Hanze University Applied Science Forum. Okay, for this background of our research, we know the transportation area of Semarang Demak corridor is always flood because the area is have a land subsidence area, and for the high sea level always growing up. This is two comparison always we find to everyday activity, and this is problem very crowded for our location. This particularly important along the Pantura Semarang Demak always tidal flooding. This is we have a decreasing elevation and residential areas along the road area. So there's and this is our problem in the north area of Semarang, that is coastal area. Okay, because this background, we have two purpose operations. There is how the characteristics of the multiple resins catalysts affect them for the flooding area, and what is the composition of modified ACWC resin and catalyst is can use in the coastal area, and what does the continuous immersion pattern affect durability of modified. We know the main of purpose of our research there is for we find the base of Jami Pantura can be flooded. There is asphalt wearing can be flooded in the immersion area. The other purpose there is affect to continuous immersion patterns on the durability of modified ACWC. This is our main idea to background all this research. What's the problematic we can find with coastal area? There is tidal flood. Our study goes every year. In the last years, we find the higher tidal flood until 1.7 meters. This is not common for our people. This is like we find some unique location. For the additive, we use the catalyst and resin. We hope for this two material additive can be improved to the work material improvement ours. And for the asphalt, we know asphalt is part of the important part of the road material. Marshall testing is one we choose to test our the ability for the laboratory testing. For the purpose research, two purposes we used to always follow to improve the research to our research. That's from the Morun Tamara and from Kurniawan Budiarto, all is the Indonesian references, and we hope to the other artists in the world can be together find this problematic solving. Okay, what the method we can explain to this research? We have two methods for this research. There is method including within the laboratory, and we can try to give sample material around of the campus from Venezuela. For the preparation, there is preparation for the tools and material. We testing for the asphalt 70 or 60 or 70 asphalt penetration concrete wearing cost, and testing for the cross aggregate and pan aggregate, and we have additive for the additional material. There is interaction and catalyst, and all we mixings in the 155 until 165 degrees Celsius temperature. And for the laboratory testing, we find what the base of the characteristic this asphalt to be immersion for this coastal area, and we can immersion in 7, 15 and 28 days for the immersion area. Okay, for the discussion and result for this research, my partner can be explained. The time is yours.
Okay, I will continue Mr. Juni explanation. For the rope water testing table to evaluate the effectiveness of resin and catalyst modification in asphalt concrete wearing course for coastal application. It is important to understand the chemical characteristic of the rope water used in this study. The research shows that tidal flow water contains significantly higher level of chloride, sulfate, salinity, TDS, and PSS compared to normal water. For instance, chloride increases sulfate and salinity. Therefore, analyzing these parameters is essential, and they justify the need for resin catalyst modification to improve asphalt concrete wearing course durability under coastal exposure. Next. The penetration grade 60-70 asphalt testing show a penetration value which fall within the SNE requirement of 50 to 80, indicating an appropriate medium consistency. And the softening point, the flash point, the ductility, and white gloss record is 59.8%, which remain within the allowable limit. This result confirms that penetration grade 60-70 asphalt fully meets the required specification and is sustainable for modification using resin and catalyst. Next.
I'm sorry, I think I missed one class. Okay, fine.
Yes. Angularity testing. For the more angularity testing obtained an average of 47 and 40/16. In description is cylinder volume, sample weight in cylinder tube, bulk specific gravity, sample volume with bulk specific gravity, and void content as fine aggregate angularity in trial 1 and trial 2 in this table. Next. Determining KAO, the optimum asphalt content. was determined by evaluating mixture performed at asphalt content ranging from 4 to 6%. Each specimen was prepared with a content with constant total mixture weight of 1,200 grams, while the aggregate proportion will keep constant across all variants. Based on the Marshall parameter including stability, flow, VIM, VMA, and VFA, and Marshall content, the optimum asphalt content is indicated at 5.8%, where the mixture meets all specification recruitment and provide the most balanced performance between strength, durability, and workability. Next. Furthermore, the mixer design used a constant total weight of 1,200 grams, fixed aggregate proportion of 300 grams, coarse aggregate 1/2 inch, 300 grams, medium aggregate 3/8 inch, 516 grams tundas, 36 grams sand, and 14.4 grams cement filler. The combined aggregate weight is 1,186 for 4 gram, and the asphalt weight varies according to the select percentage. Next. The result, interpretation of void in mix, zero-dye specimen show the lowest VIM value, indicating that the mixture is still fresh and the void structure has not fully developed. 7 to 14 dye specimen display moderate increase, regulating improved compaction and stronger bonding within the mixture. 21 dye specimen exhibit higher and more stable VIM value, indicating that curing has reached an optimal stage and the internal void have achieved equilibrium. A longer curing period allows void to form more uniformly as the resin and catalyst harden difference occurs. Resin content from 0% to 4% are visible through the variation in surface height on the graph. And the VMA void in mineral aggregate, a zero-dye specimen show the lowest VMA value because the binder and aggregate remain highly plastic, resulting in minimal inter-aggregate void. 7 to 14 dye specimen show gradual increase and the aggregate framework becomes more stable during curing. 21 dye specimen have the highest and most consistent VMA value, indicating that both aggregate structure and binder stiffness have reached optimal stability. Resin and catalyst content, particularly at 2% to 4%, contribute noticeably to the increase in VMA. Next. And the result, VFB, void filled with bitumen. The VFB graph show how the percentage of voids filled with bitumen changes with variation in inductive percentage and curing times. Overall, VFB value remains within the approximate range of 60 to 90%, mixed with longer curing time, particularly 21 dyes tend to exhibit slightly higher VFB, indicating improved binder absorption and internal compaction over time. And flow parameter represent the deformation in millimeters of the asphalt mixture before failure. From the chart, flow value generally vary between 1 and 4 millimeters. Mixture curve for 0 and 7 days show lower flow, while mixture curve for 14 and 21 days exhibit moderately increased flow, suggesting enhanced stability with longer curing period. Next. And the result is stability graph indicate the load bearing capacity of the mixture. Value appear to range from approximately 1,000 to 4,000 newtons. The 21 day curing period show the highest stability value, while 0 and 7 day curing then to result in lower stability. This trend demonstrates that extended curing improves resistance to deformation under load. And the Marshall-Quentin in the ratio of stability to flow and reflect the stiffness of the mixture observed. Marshall-Quentin value are roughly between 300 and 1000 Newton per millimeters. Higher Marshall-Quentin's value and 20 and 21 dice indicate a stiffer mixture, whereas lower value at 0 and 7 dice indicate more flexible mix with lower structural stiffness. Overall, across all parameters, the trend constantly show improved performance, higher VIB, increased stability, and higher Marshall-Quentin with longer curing duration, particularly at 21 dice. The flow increased slightly, indicating and balanced improvement in ductility and stiffness. The ratio suggests that curing time play a critical role in enhancing the mechanical properties of the asphalt mixture. Next. The conclusion characteristic of modified asphalt concrete wearing coarse separate in height teeth. The longer the submersion and the higher the resin and catalyst composition, the higher the VIM value, resulting in numerous cavities in the asphalt pavement, which reduce its environmental durability. The job make designed from asphalt road chamber in high tide water that can be used is a composition of 4% resin, a 0% catalyst, for 7 dice, meeting the Bina Marga Technical Specification Revision 2. Effect of submersion of stability, continuous submersion effect, the stability of the mixture decreased stability can lead to permanent deformation, bleeding, or stripping, which negatively impact asphalt durability. Next. That's all from our presentation.
Yeah, thank you very much for the presentation. All participants, we hope this knowledge can be improved and we use the application of our every day. We hope this process can be impact to our surrounding for the people doing every day and implementation in the road pavement in our country. Thank you very much for all participants. I'm sorry if we have some wrong word. If we have wrong word, I'm sorry about it. Thank you very much. We close for this meeting. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.